From the very beginning, I've always admired Locs, and I am glad that I came this far to be able to celebrate 7 years of being locked. My journey has taught me so much, and I'm excited for year 8, 9, and 10, and so on, of course. I just wanted to encourage you all to be strong, embrace your journey, love yourself, and take care of you. You don't have to believe every thought you think. You don't have to hold on to every emotion you feel. Remember, you are free. You are blessed with a beautiful crown on your head, and you should never feel ashamed to show it or to rock it. Peace and blessings to you all, and I wish you all the best in your journey.
Love and light, listen to my inner thoughts as I waiting on my time. Am I wrong for thinking we all could get along? Anger and hatred would all be gone, and we wouldn't have to be writing this. Listen for a second. See, the world has gotten so clouded. You think we can survive? I doubt it. And the worst part ain't even that though. We separated from the truth. How does that go? We can't even get freedom. We thinking that it's free though. Looking for my young people. We need them to succeed more. Feeding them as an equal. Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. No, you gotta know yourself. Know yourself. You gotta know yourself. Ha, know yourself. You gotta know yourself. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's alright. When the block gets thicker, keep your hands up, cause my soul is a sinner. Got the right mind, surviving cold in the summer. Take a look around, cause my heart is getting bigger, bigger. When the block gets thicker, keep your hands up, cause my soul is a sinner. Got the right mind, surviving cold in the summer. Take a look around, cause my heart is getting bigger, bigger. Time